Exercise 6.2, question number 5. In the figure, they have been given that there are two mirrors, PQ and RS, and they have shown that an incident ray AB strikes point B and gets reflected. The path of the light goes through BC, and again it gets reflected by the second mirror RS, and the path goes of the reflected light is CD. Now we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now to prove this, what we have taken a normal line to the first mirror, that is BM, okay, and the other normal line through the second mirror, that is LC. Now we see that the normal line is making a 90-degree with the mirror. So it is obvious. So first of all, we write down the construction that we will draw BM perpendicular to PQ and CL perpendicular to RS. Now, after writing this construction, we write in the proof that we know that angle MBQ is equals to 90-degree and angle LCR that will also be equals to 90-degree. So in this way, we can say that therefore BM will be parallel to LC or CL. So BM and LC both are parallel to each other. Now we can take BC as transversal. Now if BC is transversal, so we can write that angle 2 will be equals to angle 3. They are forming alternate angles, as we have already shown that BM is parallel to LC, so angle 2 will be equals to angle 3. Now we know that by law of reflection, angle 1 will be equals to angle 2, as the law says angle I equals to angle R, that is incidence angle, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Similarly, angle 3 will be equals to angle 4. Angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. Now, from equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3, we come to know that 1 equals to 2, 2 equals to 3, 3 equals to 4. So, if we take up 1 as x, 2 is also x because 1 is equal to 2. So, we can write that 1 equal to 2, let it be x, 2 equals to 3, so that will also be x, and 3 equals to 4, so that value is also x. So now from the figure we can say that all the angles are equal and angle 1 plus 2 will be x plus x, that is 2x. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 4 will also be x plus x, that is 2x. Therefore, we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. That is, we can write angle ABC is equals to angle BCD. Therefore, they are forming alternate angles. So, by converse of alternate angles, we can say therefore AB will be parallel to CD.